Along with their pumpkin, they're all done for here, like two women. I thought that was a bad idea to put two of them in the same pumpkin, but...
So how many do you have down at the starting line, Dan?
Probably about 30 pumpkins. Again, they're scattered, I can't count that high, but probably about 30 pumpkins.
Excellent.
Minus a few now that have stuck.
Scotty, I'm down here with Jeff Atkinson, the guy who didn't finish in the motorized division here.
Yeah, what happened?
He's got Mary Jane's Smoke Shop, Steve's Hydroponics. It's the dope boat. Yeah. We just had engine problems. Trying to sort it out now. See, dope makes you dopey, man. The boat got all tired and stuff and wouldn't want to come across. That's it. Down with dope, up with hope! Well, man, it's not too late. Maybe you can get your pumpkin out of here and get across and do the paddle version today.
They're off.
They're off. Thanks, Dan.
They didn't wait for me. The internet's got too impatient.
The paddling competition has begun.
Number 41 over here is all painted up red, and there's a 666 boat. He's cooking it right now. He's got someone on his side.
Chip Peterson's out there in pumpkin number 11. This is his 11th regatta, so he's been here every year. He's out there in Pumpkinhead 11. Yeah, he was second place last year. Perhaps he'll improve on that. It's hard, one place to go.
Scotty, I'm here with Michael Dill over on my side here, and these guys all play for the West Dance Warriors, is that right? And you guys have a teammate out there. What number pumpkin is he in, and what's his name?
16.
What's his name?
Charlie Crawford.
Good luck to Charlie. He has lots of fans over here on the Falmouth side. We're cheering him on. Let's hear for Charlie.
Charlie Crawford, number 16, West Dance AA. Charlie's 12 years old. This is his first regatta.
I'm told he has a hockey game later tonight too, and the boys they're doubting his capabilities here. They think he might be pretty tired later on.
Oh, his shoulders will be sore, no question. How's it on the water, Ruby?
All right, we got 41 taking an early lead here, followed by number 4, and then number 28. Number 28 needs business. He's at least going to get, best effort award if he doesn't take a lead here. But, Scotty, I'm a firm believer in competition. You know I'm competitive. And keep an eye out for number 18 and number 30. And number 18, we've got the Murphy brothers, who are looking to beat the family record. And then in number 30, we've got Skyler Club and Iona Club. And Iona is 15 Nova Scotia 2009, and they're hoping to beat the Murphy brothers. So good luck to them.
Johnny, I'm here with Jackie and Anastasia, the couple that flipped their pumpkin before the race even began.
Yes, we flipped the pumpkin.
It's very cool. How cool, like on a scale of 1 to 10 is that water? 11, eh? So this is your second year doing it, and you doubled up last year and you made it all the way across?
No, we did it wrong again last year. There's a little water on last year, but this year we started. We just got the water like, feel that? And there was more water coming in, but then it started coming in and we lost our balance and over we went.
Well, you know what? Good luck next year if you decide to do it again. Congratulations on trying anyway. Give them a hand for trying here, people.
Alrighty, pumpkin number 41 out there is Joe Seagram. He's the headmaster of King's Edgehill School. Any of the students out here? No, no students showed up for Joe. Uh-oh.
In second place right now, we've got number 4, who's Will Neely, the Acadian star. He's back for his 6th regatta, and he's here to win. So number 41's beating him right now, but he looks hungry for this win.
Ruby, can you see pumpkin number 48?
Let me see here.
Look at the end of the pumpkin.
No, I can't. Start reading numbers.
48 is Colin McInnes, part of K-Rock's morning crew. This is his second attempt at pumpkin paddling. And BJ, he's wondering why you won't get out on the water against him. That's what he put here in his notes.
Don't like to win all the time, Scotty.
That's fair enough. Colin is not competition at all.
Right.
I can see him. I think the league doesn't want to win. He's quite far behind.
He's quite far behind? Yeah.
He might be dead last.
Is he the one in the kids' makeup, Ruby?
And he is.
Yeah, you look like you was struggling before he even began. Good luck anyway, Colin.
Is it me or is this moving fast?
It's moving very fast. They are really coming across quickly.
They got the wind behind them too.
Doesn't look like they're moving at all to me, I guess. Just number 41 and number 4 are just going for it right now. They're almost neck and neck. Number 4 just needs to get that one too.
The Acadian star, Will, is it Neely?
Neely.
Neely.
He's a pumpkin grower, apparently. So that is a juiced pumpkin. He's from Paradise, a town called Paradise, BJ. Let's move there.
Alright, in third place right now, he looks hilarious. He's Anthony Cook. He's paddling with, and this is his 5th regatta. And he's last year's winner. So he's in third right now. We'll see how he does towards the end.
Ruby, apparently you're mistaken. I have Colin from K-Rock here right beside me. He says it's Kate out in the pumpkin there. He dumped her right off the start, he says. What do you have to say about that, Colin? I'm sort of embarrassed, but you know what? I'm drying, not fire, halfway across the lake, so I'm alright. How'd you know it was all getting wet anyway? I was real close to shore.
Colin just chickened out. That's all that happened.
But I look good.
Very debatable, sir.
That's the main thing, right? That's all that matters, as long as you look good.
You're coming in fast, and we got 3 in a dead heat there, Ruby.
Number 41, I don't know, he looks tired to me. He's got his hips into it now. He's really trying to get ahead, but number 4 is creeping up on him real close.
Number 41 in the lead, that's Joe Seagram, the headmaster of King's Edgehill.
Number 4 wants it though. He's got these wide strokes now. They're neck and neck.
Come on, guys, they're coming in close. Cheer them on. We got 3 of them neck and neck there. Cheer them on. Get them in here quick. Are those 2 pulling away, Ruby? That's what it looks like there.
They're hitting each other. This is getting cheap.
Excellent.
I would expect this from number 41, who's all painted West Iron and his boat says 666.
Uh-oh. That's true. Violence is good.